In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send course in Teachable manually. By the end, you'll know how to grab the exact sales page link for a course so you can share it directly with a learner. Start by opening your Teachable school and heading to the admin dashboard. On the left side, click Courses to see your full list. This view is where all your course management happens. At the top of the list, click into the search field and start typing the course title or a keyword. As you type, Teachable will filter the results so you can find the course faster, which is especially helpful if you manage a larger catalog. When you see the right course, click its name to open the course's admin area. From here, go to Sales Pages. This section holds the public-facing pages that promote your course and collect enrollments. Look for the sales page you plan to share. Often it's the default or published one tied to your pricing. Next, find the three dots next to that sales page. This is the More Options menu. Click it to open the quick actions, then choose Copy URL Link. Teachable will copy the public sales page URL to your clipboard instantly. A few quick tips to make sure everything works as expected. If you have multiple sales pages, pick the one that's published and associated with the correct offer. To confirm the link is visitor ready, open a private or incognito window and paste it. What you should see is the live sales page with a purchase or enroll button, not the editor. If you end up in an internal editing view, go back and use the three-dot menu's Copy URL option again to ensure you're grabbing the public link. If you don't see courses on the sidebar, double-check that you're in your school's admin area, not the learner view. That's it. You've copied the direct sales page link for your course, and it's ready to share manually by email, chat, or anywhere else your learners connect with you.